Aaron? Done mo answer, Aaron? Sure.
Impromptu man ako this.
I'll go na. So, hello everyone. As you may know, our research title is called Utilization of Generative AI Tools in Academic Writing and its Level of Dependency Among BSED English Students. And this is why we chose you as our interviewee for this session. So, are you guys ready? Our, our question is very simple. Um, let's start with Mr. Kadbadonga. So, our question is, what particular Gen AI tools from the list given you utilize the most? And what features of these particular Gen AI tools help you to utilize it? Mr. Aaron?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning. Thank you.
One particular AI tools that I make use is ChatGPT. What I love most about this AI tool is of its feature. One is it responds to your question and it gives answers effectively. It also provides examples that you can really use, and the words they use here are not easy to understand, meaning you can comprehend it very well, and you can also translate the language from your mother tongue into your target language. That's it, ma'am.
Um, what particular academic writing do you usually use this? Do you usually use ChatGPT? Is it for your essays or whatever writings you want?
Ma'am, mostly essays
Okay.
and sometimes assignments, pero mostly essays.
Uh, okay, thank you, Aaron. Thank you for your answers. How about the others? Um, can I call on Miss Ruadel, Miss Erlin?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
For me po, out of among the list that you have given, the one that I use most is Killbot. So as we know, Killbot is a paraphrasing tool. I use it mostly when ano pa? When I write essays, since sometimes I cannot construct my thoughts correctly. That's why I just put the words and let Killbot uh, paraphrase it to in order to enhance my writing. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Miss Erlin. So you use Skillbot for paraphrasing your academic output such as unsa man ni? Essays or literatures.
Yes, ma'am. Anything na extensive karazo, mga essays, assignments, everything na need ng kuan, ng construction of words.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Erlin. Now can I call on Miss Mills? Miss Mills, are you available?
Hi, good morning, ma'am.
Hello, good morning, Mills. How about you? What particular Gen AI tools from the list do you utilize, and what particular academic outputs do you use it for?
Among the list that you have given us, I use actually three artificial intelligence here. The ChatGPT, the Bard, and the Killbot. Because somehow I since I use this for educational purposes, for me to be able to check the content that in my output, I'm trying a trial and error method in which I try to check where is like match aligned to the um information or information that I'm trying to like I'm expecting to have in terms of, for instance, like essays, since I really need to check my grammar meticulously, since we are education student, and it is, given na dapat the grammars are good and it's coherent. So yeah, I use this for educational purposes.
Thank you, Mills. Thank you so much. And I highly appreciate your answer. So you use three generative AI tools for paraphrasing and for your other academic outputs. Now, how about the others? May I call on Miss Papileras, Miss Zina Marie? Hello? Hello, Miss Zina Marie, are you there? Hello, Miss Zina Marie? Well, I guess Miss Zina Marie is not available. We will now end our session. Thank you so much for joining our G-Meet, and thank you so much for your answers on our basic questions. Thank you so much again. We highly appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
Ano? Dapat na. Wala ka dali ra ba Tizo?
Dali ira, pero actually dagon po sa kuyang. Dabok pa'y kuan. Kuyang pa nga ni, dapat 10 ka mo. Pwede man mo kuan. Motobag. Pwede na ka mo leave, guys. Manikabot sa kami nakahanap ng other people na mo join sa amo. Thank you so much
Bye-bye.
again. Send ka mo Gcash number ni Zo kay maya mo pahalipay. Wow.
Di si Eduardo Days. Chat yun ni daw.
Na di Zo musin sa ako. Panay.
Sikat
Jin,
tong
kablitaan sa taas si
Dari si kono
Papileras.
si Aileen ni join. Sikat
Ah,
tong bising ga di
Lin,
man mo tagkuan tubag.
Li,
Tagtukod.
Lin, Eileen. Di man manubagsil.
Dili ka tong bising sa to.
Hello? Si Zina Marie lagi. Hello, Lin?
Yes, days.
Hello, good morning, Ma'am Eileen. Thank you for joining our GMeet today. Thank you so much. This is in lieu for our research. Are you ready for our question? Miss Eileen. Hello, yan ako si Eileen.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So, Eileen, I've given you 10 list of generative AI tools. Now, among those,
Kuya,
ano,
yapa ko nagkuan.
unsa man it's still dali na, it's still ka nagisingit ra po diri nahihiya na
Kuya
ako.
kana si Dindin. Kuya pa na ko nag-record kahit sa message. Mag-record na sad wait lang.
Di sa ka mula good na go or like pause.
Wait lang.
Na?
Wait lang.
Si Eileen ra ka na ako pangutanon pa. Pila na ka
Isa,
auto respondents? Ikaupat pa si Eileen, kuyang patanang unom.
ay, isa-isa pa dya, dili kundungan.
Tag isa-isa
Dalan ko sa
kurakan din.
konti.
Okay na, go.
Kuya pa.
Kada ra mo join ako isa ka laptop.
Go.
Wait lang.
Pag lang, it's mo ko na. Go days.
Kuya naglako kuya pa man.
Okay, sorry. Eileen, ready na ako sa mo answer, Eileen?
Yes, days.
Ginaha.
Achar.
Aileen, hamo kag features.
Oo, Eileen, palihog ba bisan ikaw ra ka naghana kay katong first na mga respondents kay like gamay ra ila tubag. Tas Eileen,
Naamura, naka-ready ako tag-send sa
like imo i-specific haman nimo gigamit ang AI such as for poem making, essay writing or in ana aso i-generalize kanina mo lang ako na kuan. Basta aso ka aso i-broad something more specific para may concept kami ba may context.
Sige na, Day. Sadya na, ha? Hilom na. Go na.
Okay. Hello, Miss Mindanya. Thank you so much for joining our GMIT for today. This is actually for our research, and I only have two questions. I mean, three. I have questions. Okay, so first one is that what particular Gen AI tools from the list given do you utilize? And what features of this particular generative AI tool do you use, or what made you use it?
Okay, so hello, good morning. Among the generative AI tools listed, the tools I use are Bard and Perplexity. I use Bard to gather ideas for essay writing. I use it because it is very convenient, and as it lays out the information that you ask for in 2 to 3 drafts. This offers you various information from different sources and makes you understand the information you have asked for. And then I also use Perplexity for research purposes as it provides source citations, unlike any other generative AIs. It makes um, it makes it easier for you to discover and read more of the information you requested. And also it is very convenient to utilize um as it is like you're just having a conversation with a human. It's very easy to use. So those are the tools that I utilize.
Okay, Miss Mindanya. Another one, last one. In what particular academic writing do you usually opt to utilize these generative AI tools?
Okay, so primarily I use this generative AI tools when I'm writing essays because this lays out all the information I needed in a very convenient way, and it makes all the information very easy to understand. And I also use this for research purposes, I am gathering um when I'm gathering papers or articles for um related literatures or studies.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Mindanya. Thank you for your answers. So next, I'll be questioning Miss Orozco. Miss Paula, are you there?
Yes, hello, good morning.
Ah, yes. Hello, Miss Paula. Um, the same goes. Same answer. I mean, same question from Miss Eileen. I will ask you the same question that I have asked. So the first one is, what particular generative AI tools from the list given do you utilize, and what features of this particular Gen AI tool do you utilize?
Among those lists that you have provided, I usually use three AI po, which is the Killbot, ChatGPT, and the CC. One feature that opts me to utilize those AI is that CC gives sometimes gives some references in which mabat kanimo kung nga man natubag ato ni CC na questions. So in Killbot naman, it gives accurate paraphrasing bitaw especially if I'm in doubt with my answers, especially in essays or anything that's written. I ask Quillbot to check my grammar, to check my to check the construction of my essays. Then sa ChatGPT naman is for some random questions, they can answer them. ChatGPT uses simple words that understand makes me understand it clearly.
Okay, Miss Orozco. Pero what particular academic writing do you usually use these generative AI tools? You know, such as for essay writing, research, or poems, anything related to academic. What do you use it for?
Mostly po is for essays, especially sa on times na murag mag-blackout ka, you don't have time to make those essays kay dyan magdugan-dugan ang imo activities. Then sometimes isab sa essays, sa assignments, and isa mga questions na ano pa extensive questions na pwede gamitan ng kaan ng ChatGPT and CC anything.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Orozco. Thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for answering our questions. Miss Eileen and Miss Orozco, you can now leave our platform. And again, we really appreciate you for joining our GMeet today. Thank you so much.